If we protect aggressors today, tomorrow it's our turn to suffer. The UN and governments hesitate to act, but they fear their own citizens most. Our voices can force action. Stop selling weapons to aggressors. Use economic pressure. Freeze their money. Don't fund the fire. Boycott the aggressors' products and services. Avoid their land. Stand with the victims. Visibility saves lives. Silence abandons them. Silence encourages today's aggressors and tomorrow's. If aggressors learn their lesson today, then tomorrow we're safe.